crowd goes wild.
Hello and good morning. Sorry about the lighting really quick, but hey guys, so as you can see, I stopped vlogging yesterday. My bad. I didn't end up going back out, but I'm about to head over there soon and pick up my award because apparently I got a plaque because I'm official. But yeah, it's the next day. My outfit is actually really cute today, but the little boob area is a little bit too expose. So I got my jacket on right now while I'm walking around because I don't need my girls jiggling everywhere. And I'm on my way to the cafe right now to eat lunch with my sisters. And y'all had to bring my curling wand with me so I can fix his hair because I didn't wrap it last night, so it looks a mess today. But first I gotta eat because I'm starving. I'm looking to see if you had your headphones in because I was waiting to hear the YouTube video. I'm here in Kayla's room. Say hey, Coco. Hey. Okay, note. That sounded kind of good. I'm about to curl my hair, y'all. You guys, this little this little top is driving me freaking crazy. I don't think I vlogged when I was in the cafeteria. Almost everybody was there. I look so chocolate. What are we watching?
Zach released a Devs in the Room new video.
Okay. I'll be back when my hair is done, y'all. Because I'm looking rough. Alright, y'all. So I'm here with little Bri. Oh. And Kayla left to go get the keys for her new apartment. And we are heading to the last Market Friday. Y'all, this is my last
freshman year
of ever for me.
No, you didn't come back to a homecoming one, right?
Yes, but this is my last Market Friday as a student here at Spelman College. Are y'all crying? I'm not. Cause let me tell y'all what, it's already 4:30.
I'm crying.
It's already 4:30. And it's just getting lit here at Market. We were waiting to hear when it was gonna get lit. So I will be recording for you guys. Hey, okay. So I think we're about to throw stands or whatever. So I'll get somebody to record it. Alright, I'm done. Hey, yellow vibes! Yes! What is this dance? Let me see your poster. It's cute! Oh, that is cute. Go get one. They have something like aww. That's funny.
Back it up a little bit, give us some space.
No, this one not let me dance the whole time. I was like, I said, oh, shit. Oh, this is
Okay, this weekend, I'll make you up, alright?
Yeah, we should do that in the library. Oh, hey!
You already know what's going on.
Hello. I've never been on before. Yes, you have, Kylie. Yes, you have.
Hey,
What's going on?
you better be blogging.
Hey,
You better be blogging.
Five, six, seven. Hey, now. That's when you're a nice slow one. Hi, cuties. Look at my face. Oh my God.
Don't forget to check out the social booth to your left.
My baby.
Mixed with China.
Oh.
Bricks to China. I sell all my niggas.
Oh.
Got the check.
Oh.
Bust it down. Turn your goofy down. Pow. I'm a 620. Yes, it's bad. Every time I go hey. I'ma bust it open. I'ma go slow and be lit. I don't big honey.
You look at Nikki.
Real bosses don't talk, just sit back and listen. Stack that paper up and then make boss moves. She like to argue, so I sent it to law school. You keep it real with your dad on God.
I have been complete trash at vlogging today. I went to the cafe for dinner with Ryan and Gabby. I'm trying to think if I recorded it, but I don't think I did because we were just talking about a lot of different things. And my hair looks so dark in this lighting. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm about to decorate my graduation cap finally now. And I'm also going to put some toner in my hair to try and take away some of the brassiness. And I'm gonna film that for the hair vlog. So that should be up by now. If you guys want to see like my journey with this hair and all my thoughts about it or whatever, you can click right there. But yeah, I'm pretty tired. I won't be doing anything for the rest of the day, but I should be doing stuff tomorrow. So I'm sorry if this vlog is all over the place and not that entertaining. I kind of just want to scratch it, but I feel like I probably would want to look back on this stuff, but I wish it just was a more entertaining vlog. I hate when there's like a vlog with like kind of nothing going on. I don't know, but I'll see you guys tomorrow though, and hopefully that will be entertaining.
What you really know about the dirty South? Hey. Yeah.
Okay, welcome back. It's a little bit later. Here's the update. So this is what the sweater looks like. It came out perfectly. It's so stinking cute. It says Beauty and Brains. I know y'all can't see it because it's a stupid thing. I'm about to take this off. It says Beauty and Brains, Spelman College 2018. But so yeah, it came out perfectly. I'm glad about that. The bad news is though that y'all know I was trying to decorate my graduation cap yesterday and I started it, but I didn't end up finishing because it just wasn't looking good. Like I just didn't have all the right stuff for it. It just looked kind of boring and I don't really know how to draw, or I don't know what to really add to it to make it look right. So I've been trying to like run around and find some stuff for that. I went to the band room to see if I could pick me up a uniform, but it was locked. So now I'm trying to like stay around this area while I try and get in contact with a drum major so they can open it up for me. But until then, good news is that I went into Walmart to see if I could find like some glittery paper. Of course they didn't have anything because what do they ever have? But look guys, there was a guy selling what is this called, Italian ice on the outside. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look at you guys. It's like really hot today, which I am not complaining about at all, because y'all know I love the warm weather. I've been dressing like it's summer for the past 3 weeks, even though it's been feeling like winter. So, whew, all right, in the meantime, while I'm waiting to talk to the drum majors, I'm gonna go to the dollar store, see if they have any, like, I don't know, pink something like glitter, boa, paper, something more that I can add to my cap. But I'm so glad that I got this. I was gonna stop and get a slushie from Burger King, but this is way better because, you know, Landon don't got slushies, so this is, oh, this is so good. All right, still no word back from the drum major, so I'm going to the dollar store, see if I can find me something in here. I hate hanging out in the busted door. All right, so ignore this angle for a second, but can you see me? Okay. So basically, this is what I found in the dollar store so far, right? So I see this pink boa, which Gabby just told me to get. I'm gonna get it regardless because it's only $1, and if I don't use it on my cap, it'll be cute for the pictures. So there's this. There's this bag, which I'm thinking that I could cut it up and use it as like the background, possibly. And I think this goes really cute with pink. I don't know. They've got these flowers that have like the bedazzles in them, which is really cute pink. But there's only 2 of them on here, so I don't know about that. And then you have these flowers, but they have like yellow on the inside instead of silver. And she told me to get pink glitter, but the closest thing that they have is this, and this is like more purple. So as y'all can see, I'm struggling because there's really nothing up in here for me. I don't know what to do. Wow. All right, y'all, so guess what? How many L's can I take in this stupid freaking vlog? So I just got home. I stopped and got me a package on my way in, and I'm going to open it up because it's just one dress, and I just filmed my haul yesterday, so I'm just going to show it to you guys now, or else like you won't ever see it. And it's one of the dresses that I'm going to wear for one of the graduation days, maybe, if I like it. So I'm going to show you, that way I have like a video to reference for you guys. I hope that makes sense. I'm gonna try on this dress for you guys, and then I'm gonna chill, and then I'm gonna finish my cap, and I may do my makeup because I do want to film a video today, but that's not really a priority. I have a lot of videos to edit, so I could do that instead. Oh, but my hair looks so good, so I may just go ahead and film a short video and then edit some more videos, and that's what I'm doing for the rest of the day. But after I finish like filming this try on for this one dress, we're about to end the vlog because at this point it's just not working for us. Okay, I don't really know what we're doing here. This vlog was a whole bunch of nothing, a driving diaries of nothing. So let me try on this dress. Wish me luck. Let's hope it looks good. Wow, are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for the kicker? Okay, this is the final L of the vlog. It wasn't even clothes, y'all. It was some hair. It was some hair. I'm like, what the heck is my life? So I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I've taken enough L's. I'm taking enough L's for this vlog. So I'm sorry that it was a whole bunch of nothing.
Thinking short, looking clean. Leaning, checking out the scene. Gangsta bullets, pickups lit. Riding down, talking shit. Nigga, where you wanna go? You know the club don't close the door. It's party till we get no more. Watch out to come to fall. Damn, oh Lord.
Make sure you live each day to the fullest because you only live once. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next